Are you interested in investing in art, but not sure where to start? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and strategies on how to best invest in art. Art can be a unique and rewarding asset class with the potential for both financial and personal returns. However, investing in art can also carry inherent risks and requires careful research and planning. By following some of these tips and strategies, you can potentially increase your chances of success as an art investor. You might strike gold with art investments. Remember, the value of works by American artist Jean Michel Basquiat, who was active in the 1980s, has skyrocketed in recent years, with some works selling for tens of millions of dollars at auction. Similarly, the value of works by Japanese artist Yayoi Kusama, who is known for her signature polka dots, has also seen significant growth in recent years, with some works selling for over $10 million at auction. One of the first steps in investing in art is to familiarize yourself with the art market and how it works. This includes understanding the different types of art, such as paintings, sculptures, and prints, as well as the various art movements and styles. It's also important to understand the different players in the art market, such as galleries, auction houses, and dealers, and how they operate. By gaining a deeper understanding of the art market, you can potentially make more informed investment decisions. As with any investment, it's important to do thorough research and due diligence before investing in art. This includes researching the artist, the artwork, and the market demand for that particular artist or style. It's also important to consider factors such as the condition of the artwork, its history of ownership, and any relevant documentation. It's important to diversify your art portfolio just as you would with any other asset class. This means investing in a variety of different artists, styles, and mediums, rather than just one or two. By diversifying, you can potentially reduce the impact of any one investment on your overall portfolio. It's also important to diversify geographically by investing in artists from different regions, as well as by price point, by investing in both lower-priced and higher-priced works. When investing in art, it's important to consider the long-term potential of the artwork and the artist. This means looking for artists with a track record of consistent sales and a strong reputation in the art world. It's also important to consider the historical performance of similar works by the artist, as well as any trends or market conditions that may affect the value of the artwork over time. By focusing on the long-term potential, you can potentially increase your chances of success as an art investor. It's important to have a clear budget in mind when investing in art and to stick to it. This means setting a budget for how much you're willing to spend on each artwork and not exceeding it. It's also important to consider any additional costs, such as framing, restoration, or shipping, and to factor them into your budget. By sticking to your budget, you can potentially avoid overspending and making impulsive investment decisions. When investing in art, it's important to use trusted resources, such as reputable galleries, auction houses, and dealers. It's also a good idea to seek out expert advice, such as from an art advisor or appraiser, to help you make informed investment. It's important to keep a record of your art investments, including information such as the artist, the title of the work, the date of purchase, the purchase price, and any relevant documentation. This can help you track the performance of your investments and make more informed decisions in the future. It's also a good idea to take photos of the artwork and store them in a safe place in case the artwork is lost or damaged. Investing in emerging artists can be a way to potentially get in on the ground floor of an artist's career before their work becomes widely known and sought after. One way to potentially find such artists is to look for those who have come out of acknowledged art schools and are having their first exhibitions at established galleries. These artists may have already received some recognition within the art world, and their work may have the potential to increase in value as they gain more exposure and recognition. However, it's important to keep in mind that investing in emerging artists carries more risk than investing in more established artists. And it's important to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. By following these tips and using trusted resources, you can potentially increase your chances of success as an art investor. Remember, investing in art carries inherent risks, and it's important to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching.